I don't think it's your head, MK. No, oh, no, oh, no, no.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Drink that one. Oh, Aquapod. Oh, Aquapod. Oh. Okay, I'm okay. Don't choke. Don't pull an MK. Don't pull a graham cracker out your butt.
Just get out my nose.
But you go empty, stop looking at porn, man. Where the freak is your computer? Oh, I see it.